Hello, today I'm going to show you how to disinfect a food preparation area, this counter kitchen. There are things that you must know before using the disinfectant. You must consult the safety data sheet and instructions on how to use the disinfectant. Then you must know if the disinfectant is effective in killing the virus or the bacteria that you are trying to kill. Then the dilution rate. Proper dilution for disinfectant is essential for the disinfectant to properly act. For this product, Q128, 1 ounce per gallon. That's all you need. Before you can disinfect the surface must be clean. With this product, you can clean the surface and then disinfect it. How do we do that? We clean the surface, then we apply the disinfectant, let it dwell on the surface for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we wipe off the disinfectant, rinse with clear water, and that's all that we need to do. So today, I am going to show you how to disinfect a food preparation area using Q128. We have finished disinfecting this area with Q128. I want to thank you for following us, for watching our videos, for purchasing our products, and for supporting us during these difficult times. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so you don't miss videos like this and you stay up to date in what's up with our company and with the cleaning industry. Thank you for watching our channel. Until the next time, take care.